In this video, I want to show you how to find trending songs and sounds on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you're in search of trending songs to use for your videos, this is what you should do. On your TikTok account, go to your profile. Now, the first step you have to do is to switch your account from personal to business. If you already switched to business, then you are good to go. But if you are not yet switched to a business account, go to your settings, and click on accounts. And on account, you're going to see switch to business account here. I just click on it and you follow the procedure. It's very simple, nothing complicated. Now you come back once you switch to business account, click on the three lines at the top right corner again, and then you're going to choose business suite. In business suite, you're going to go to Creative Hub, and in Creative Hub, they're going to show you trending music, trending sounds in your industry. So here are the trending sounds under art and craft. That's the industry I am in currently. So if you want to change the industry, maybe you're in comedy or something else, all you have to do is to click on it and then you choose your industry. So if you choose electronics, they're going to show you trending sounds in electronic that you can use for your electronic, and it's going to go viral. And these are examples of trending sounds in electronics. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel.